So today we concluded NASSCOM Prime Career Fair. I saw some candidates walk out with happy smiling faces. For others, it didn't go as per the plan. However, there's always an opportunity. There's always a next thing you can do to get to your goal. So for that, we have a virtual career fair coming up. We have a skilling plan for you where you could better prepare for your skills through many government schemes which are made available, such as Future Skills Prime, etc. Once you engage and sign up, you will get the message on how to register on Prime Career Fair, which is a virtual one where you expect about 100 candidates, more than 2,000, 3,000 jobs. So please come register and avail the opportunity to get to the goal and get to the outcome through the next mega career fair on December 14th and December 15th. Look forward to have you all there on the virtual career fair.